So in 2016, I actually made a video about my mom making Hainanese Chang or Hainanese rice dumpling. I think I should improve that video a little bit. In this video, I'm going to show you a little bit more about the process, how she makes it. But I missed out on the part that she was preparing the ingredients. But I will show you a list of the ingredients that she is using to make the rice dumpling. I'm sure when you were looking up for information like this, you have probably seen some of the other YouTubers or some other videos that have already taught you how to make their own version of Hainanese bajang or Hainanese rice dumpling. I mean, there's no right or wrong, it's just that this is how my family does it.
The main ingredient would definitely have to be the glutinous rice. So basically what my mom said, that she basically just washed it, she dried it, and then she just added some spice powder, some salt, some white pepper, and then she actually prepared some oil which she fried together with some garlic to give the oil a little bit more flavor, and she just mixed it together. So that's how she actually prepared the glutinous rice. For the pork belly, my mom actually marinated it overnight. It has black soy sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic, some sugar, some white pepper, coriander seed powder, a little bit of it, and 5 spice powder. That's about it. So she actually marinated it overnight. Comes to the chestnut, not my favorite, but then a lot of people, they don't mind having chestnut in their dumplings. Basically, she just fries it with a little bit of black sauce and that's it, just to give it a little bit like coloring to it. All these other ingredients, the dry shrimp, the mushroom, she just fried with a little bit of black sauce. If you have used it before, you know that it's very concentrated, and so just go easy on it. And of course the salted egg yolk, and this is like one of my personal requests. You can add whatever you want, but I like salted egg yolks in my dumpling. Something very different from what you usually see out there or you ever come across. Most of people out there, when they make rice dumplings, they actually use bamboo leaves. My mom prefers banana leaves because it has more fragrance to it. You can see that there are a lot of pieces here, but they didn't come like that. What she did was she actually bought these from Tekka Market. Actually, you can get them from supermarkets as well, but she felt that the ones that you buy from Tekka Market, they look nicer. She bought one big piece for 20 cents, then she cut it into smaller pieces like this. As for the exact measurement, she really based on just judgment. So after cutting it into pieces, she has washed them. She used hot water to rinse through these leaves so that they will be soft, and then it will be easier to wrap. With all these ingredients, she could do about 50 dumplings at one go.
So that's how we do it in our family, and I hope you guys really like what you have seen. You have picked up something from there. If you love to watch videos like this, and if you like some of the travel videos that I've done, please consider subscribing to my channel. So with that, I'll see you in the next video.
Okay lah.